The quote request process was really easy. They ask you what the square footage is of your home. I was able to choose the different styles of laminates that I liked. It only took a few steps to get my estimate with Floor Flipper. I didn't have to pay anything up front. When the installer came over, he actually measured my home to make sure that the square footage was the right amount. He brought different samples of the laminates that I chose from online, and I got to touch the different samples, I got to look at them, I got to compare them. So then we set the date of the installation. They came over, they brought the materials, they moved the furniture, and got everything started and finished. And the nice thing about Floor Flipper is that they have a warranty, and if anything goes wrong, it's only one phone number you have to call, and they come and take care of everything. I'm really happy with the services with Floor Flipper. I would definitely recommend their services to my friends and family.
They did a remarkable job. Floor Flippers were amazing in every aspect.
Floor Flipper made this process really easy. I highly recommend it to all my family and friends.